Allen, NT Baseball box 1 and 3 from the fresh case. Here we go. We'll get them both opened up here. All right, there's your first one. Pretty dense. It's not bulging, but it's not. They're not loose or anything. Ooh, shoots, he scores. This one's fad though. We're gonna run a hot case. We'll save that one. Let's see what happens here. It seems to be a hot or cold product. All right. This one's full too. Oh, you got a fatty in here. All right, Alan. This is Alan's right here. 98 and 99, Larry Doby. First card out. Next, Xander Bogaerts and Brock Holt, 10 of only 25, All-Star Dual Relic. This is the first two of the case. There, the first two of the case. Next, Torrey Hunter, Colossal. Torrey Hunter, Colossal. Next, Gary Carter, 98 of 99. All right. Dwight Gooden. What do you put on there? Drick? I think it says Drick. 9 of 99. Oh my God. That patch. 1 of 5. Whoa. Jake Lamb. Man. Look at that rookie patch auto. The freaking snake head. Oh. This is looking like a hot case. It runs hot or cold. I would say the group break, honestly, that was a colder case, quite frankly. When it rains, it pours this stuff. Jake Lamb, that's just absolutely stunning right there. Next to 99, Tyler Glasnow. Oh my goodness, that card. Rusney Castillo, rookie silhouette autograph. And to 25, your first booklet is Rafael Palmeiro. 3020 hits jersey autograph. Number to 25 of Rafael. All right, here's a pretty thick one. It's weird. It's thicker on this side, which a lot of times that means like a button, because those will stick up on the one. Yeah, wow, right on top. Yeah, this is gonna be one of those cases. One of them cases. Holy smokes! Look at that, right on top. Tony Gwynn button, 7 of 8. It's just button. Man, this stuff is fun. Man, it's fun. Sonny Gray to 99. Jersey. And John McGraw, 1 of 99. Very nice. McGraw to 99. Daniel Corsino to 49. Rookie patch autograph for Cincinnati. Next, Michael Taylor, Colossal Prime Auto to 99. Next, oh, these are the ball autos. To 49. Oh, that's a cool one. You don't see him a lot at all. Willie McGee, former Cardinal. Seriously, you don't see him. That's just one of those where like he might not be the biggest following, but his autograph and product is non-existent almost. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you guys, this is a one of those cases. Look at this, Chris Bryant /99. I'm telling you, this is how it rolls right here. Jacques Peterson /99. Die cut ball autograph. Devin Marrero, 1/99, rookie silhouette jersey auto. And 8/10, be a patch. Be a patch. Be a patch. Nope. Miguel Cabrera, Triple Crown jersey /10. Boom.